In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Shein. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to ensure your account is secure, changing your password regularly is a great habit to adopt. So let's dive right in and take you through the process step by step, making it easy and straightforward for you. First, you need to access the Shein platform, and you can do this by visiting their website or opening the app on your device. Once you're there, the first thing you should do is log into your account. Enter your email and password as usual, and you'll be directed to the home page. If you've forgotten your current password and can't log in, don't worry. You can select the Forgot Password option and follow the instructions to regain access to your account. With that out of the way, let's move on to the next step. Navigate to your account settings or profile. This section is your control center for managing your account details. You'll usually find it located at the top right corner of the page if you're on a computer or in a drop-down menu on the app. Keep in mind that the layout might slightly differ depending on whether you're using the website or the app, but don't worry, it's all quite intuitive. Once you've found the settings or profile section, look for the option that says Change Password or Password and Security. This is where you're going to make the magic happen. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to provide some information. First, you'll need to enter your current password. This is an important step because it confirms that it's really you who's making this change. If you have any trouble remembering your current password, remember that you can always recover your account as mentioned earlier. After successfully entering your current password, you will then be asked to type in your new password. Here's a little tip. Make sure your new password is strong and unique to enhance your account security. A strong password typically contains a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've decided on your new password, you'll need to confirm it by entering it again in the designated field. This ensures that there were no typing errors in the first entry. Finally, and most importantly, don't forget to save your changes to update your password. There should be a Save or Submit button. Give that a click. Without doing this, all of your hard work will go to waste and your password will still be the old one. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your Shein account password. Now your account is a little more secure. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.